What's up, fellow YouTubers? Check it out. I finally got one. So a buddy of mine brought this over. It's a Rocket Bunny kit. The G-Ready Rocket Bunny. So it's a Toyota 86. So maybe I'll do a quick what's in the box. But yeah, I've been wanting one of these kits for a while. And he came over today and I ended up fixing some glass that he had, like a tire that melted, like one of the rubbers melted through in the packaging. It was an old kit, and I fixed the glass. It was pretty bad. I sanded it out, waxed it, polished it, and everything. Came out pretty nice. But he brought this kit over, because he knew I wanted one of these. And this kit's like wicked. I mean, even James Tester at James Tester's Model Experiment, I think that's what his channel is. He's a buddy of mine from out here. He was like, "Welcome to the dark side." He commented on one of my videos, "Welcome to the dark side." I think that was him. But you're right. I've got like tuner fever right now. So real quick, I did get some paint on the RX7, and it came out pretty good. So anyway, enough of that. We don't need to talk about the RX7 right now. I want to talk about this Toyota kit real quick. So let's check and see what's in this box. I'm gonna set this video camera aside for a second. Pop it open. You guys can check it out. It's pretty big kit, man. It's instructions. The decal sheet is pretty extensive. Oh, Jeff, it looks like you took a decal out of here. What'd you take, dude? Alright, that's okay. That's okay. We'll just have to do without it. But pretty good. It's the window mask, which that is really cool. The window. Pretty cool. The hood. Bumper. What's this? The body pieces, maybe? What? Pretty cool. Looks like it's not a curbside. What the heck? It's got to be kind of a curbside. Wow, it is. And wow, it's a full kit. I wasn't expecting that, but that is way cool. I got a feeling, he told me that this kit had like fender flares and stuff. There they are. So yeah, that's what I thought. Here's the front of it. Yoshima's usually pretty good kits. Exhaust, it's in chrome. Left or right hand drive. And the windshield wipers would be the other way, I guess. That's why they come with two different kits. The wheels. Yes, I can do something with that. Definitely. The bezel pieces inside for the lights. Oh, the interior bucket, which we flock our interior, so it's kind of cool. I like that the panels are separate. Yeah, we can do a lot with this. Can you guys see that? I don't know if you can see it. Pedals are cool. I like the seats are nice. So far, really nice, really nice. I don't know how quick I'm gonna start it, but I've got some plans coming on in the shop, so. There's the engine, one that looks at the trans. The front grille and These piece tires. Oh, that's pretty low profile. Looks like the regular Yashima aftermarket tires. That's how low they are. And these are what the fender wells look like, the body kit. Pretty nice, pretty nice. For the engine block, did I miss that somewhere? All right. Looking good, fellas. We're rocking and rolling. So that, my friends, is what I wanted to do this video for. So I got the grandkid on his way back from school, so he is on his way home, and I know he's itching to do some of his new model kits. I always tell him, hey, you got a new one in the mail. I don't show him all of them, because then you'll want to build like 10 in a whole sitting, and I just want to tell him, hey, you got one here and there, you know. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the kit review, and I'm going to end the video for now, guys. It's at 6 minutes, 30 seconds. So you guys all have a great week, and I just had to do this video because I was excited about the kit. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. All right, you guys all take care. Bye.